Snow, 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 snow. Ryan, what are you doing, sweetie? Ryan!
Ryan, look at mommy.
What are you doing? Huh? Yes? Is that a lot of snow?
You like the snow?
Huh?
You want to make a snowball? You want to throw a snowball at mommy?
Yeah?
Oh, this doesn't really pack very well.
You can't do snow? You can't pack? Oh, no, eating the snow. Well, I guess the snow is pretty clean, huh?
Hey, Ryan.
Say ball.
Here.
Say ball.
Throw it at mommy.
Say ball.
Throw it at mommy.
I don't
It's a
think he
ball.
can do it with his gloves.
Here you go.
Ball.
Can you hold it? No.
Ball.
Oh, these mittens. Ready?
Oh! Ah! Yeah? Oh, be careful.
Stick your face in the snow.
Oh, look inside of his. Can you dust his mitt? Or his. He has a whole lot of snow now on the side. No, not his mitt. I mean his hat. There you go. Yes. Ryan, is that a lot of snow? Whoa, boy.
There's enough snow for you, buddy. Soak it in. You might not see any next
Can
year.
you? He has a whole bunch on his face. Oh, what is that? Oh! Ooh. See, I'm not short, guys. Say, there's just a lot of snow here.
You gonna dig your way out?
Yeah?
Keep digging.
Here, come
make
here. You have. Ugh. A lot. All right, off.